This video is for Ariana, Callie, Morgan, Natasha, and Bethany. So this is about, this is the Dragon Dance 2 intro run. So for you guys, this is after you've done your stuff on the floor. So I'll talk about Ariana first. You're basically going to just realize that this is your sister. So you're going to be down here. You'll be like this. You're blocking your little person from the dragon's power. You're going to come down. And the others all stand up and do stuff and head off stage, but you're going to stand like this. And you're going to be like, I think this is, and you'll be pretty much right in front of the box. I'm having a hard time maneuvering, but walk up to almost the edge of the box. You're kind of doing this, just this like curious kind of position. And then Bethany's going to come from here and Natasha from here. And I'll do Bethany's part first. Bethany's here. She's going to say, they're going to have their spears next to them. So they'll pick up their spears, so they'll get up like this. They'll have their spear right here. They'll get up like this. They've got their spear. They run up to Ariana. They stop right here with Ariana right there. And they go, like, we'll get him, right? We'll get him. And then she's like, Ariana would be like, no, that's my sister. That's my sister. And she's like, I don't know what to do. And so then Bethany and Natasha, so Bethany as who I'm playing now, Bethany will go like this, fouette, little promenade from there to there. She steps up to Natasha, and then she's like, I'll go get, I believe it's Callie, and Natasha says, I'll go get Morgan. And then they run off stage, and then they're gonna come back on, still with their spear in this hand. They'll come on holding their hand like this, pulling them on stage. And then the three of them will act in a second. So over here, just to do Natasha's part, if I'm Natasha, I'm gonna stand up like this. So I'm gonna go here, down, under, grab the spear, which the tip should be pointing that way for both of you guys. She stands up, she moves like this, step, and there she's good, and then she'll be like, we're gonna spear it, right? Going past her, Ariana's head, and she'll say, no. Then you're gonna fouette around, step, if you need extra steps. And you point your, what did I do with? I think you have to trade hands, so you get your spear behind you, and then you're gonna go, I'm gonna go get Morgan, and then you're gonna run off stage like that, and bring Morgan on. So when you bring Morgan on, you'll be holding the spear in this hand again. No, hold the spear in this hand, and you'll have Morgan right here. You come on with her, and then I think you stay on through right into the warrior scene, which is right after. And then Callie and Morgan are gonna just do a tiny moment of acting with Ariana, where Ariana will be like, she's our sister, and she's going like this, she's ours, and they're gonna be like this, they're gonna go, what? They'll be like, what are we gonna do? Okay, so it's the same thing, it's just, what are we gonna do? It's only a second, so they do that. And then, okay, there's a little dance here, so just bear with me. Okay, so I'm gonna cut the video here, and then Ariana, Callie, and Morgan, you need to find another video for what comes next.